On to Batum.
He's going to hit those shots. He's got to hit those shots fair because he's going to get a lot of those.
Bad pass by Batum into the hands of LeBron James. Running with Crowder. Bumps him and scores. He went bumper cars on him for sure.
Myers on the three. A little bit of a chance here for the Hornets. Down by 7. James with an education in elevation.
105. Huge play by Kevin Love.
Yes.
Started by J.R. Smith, intended for the big fella.
Read that one perfectly. J.R. with a nice move.
Batum down low, broken up nicely with quick hands and long arms.
And see, I'm saying run right now.
That rebound for Dwight Howard. Trying to get it behind the defense. Pass picked off by Ibaka.
Foul him to stay down on his pump fake, but it's so hard to do in the heat of the moment.
Just where they are right now watching this game.
A coach can handle if his team plays with F.
Misses from deep for Miami. And again, a pass in Olenek.
Something with the ball moving, maybe something going to the rim. Batum, bad pass picked off by Vucevic. Aaron going to try and take it all the way, and he is fouled.
Under 3 minutes remaining. Tried to lob it to Howard, who was going one way. And we'll take a timeout.
Howard, another block. Number 4. Deflection. Steal by Dunn. Ball taken away by the Lakers.
They lob it up for Howard and never made it. Bad pass by Batum.
You don't pass the ball 2 steps behind the three-point line. We can get 15-footers. Howard not comfortable coming that far from the basket.
Hornets turn it over in the second quarter. He shot very well at the start of the game. That deflects out off Kaminsky.
Tonight.
Hornets look to end a 3-game losing streak. Here's Ntilikina off the turnover.
He's averaging close to 19.7 rebounds, nearly 2 blocks a night. How about Valanciunas just taking it away?
He read that play. He read that play the whole way.
Brogdon had missed everything. Middleton saves it in for Batum. Brogdon gets it back. He has. You know what? That's not a bad foul.
Oh, wow. Spectrum Center.
Woo! I'm going to get a good night's sleep.
Bledsoe able to poke the pass away.